When a simple green salad won't do, a beet's kind of sweet. And since I really don't want my hands stained in red with this gorgeous beet, I'm gonna put on some gloves, keeping it classy. This is the root, and this is what I want for my salad. But I'm not gonna throw these gorgeous greens away. I'm saving them for my juicer. I'm making a raw beet salad with this beauty. I'm gonna make this salad using my spiralizer. Wanna see something cool? This is it, by far and away, one of my fave kitchen tools, because it turns veggies into long, thin strips that I can use in place of wheat pasta in my favorite recipes. So when you're using it, just press and turn. Look at that, it's amazing. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. Texture totally changes everything in a dish, especially when you're working with veggies. And I love the flavor of raw beets. Crunchy, sweet, and earthy. And I can use them raw, and I could just as easily, if I'd like to, put them in the oven, drizzle them with olive oil, and just toast them up a little bit too. First, a little spinach. And some beets. Those little guys don't want to let go. Now for some chopped walnuts and goat's cheese. Goat's cheese and beets are like BFFs. They go so well together. You can put a little or a lot. I like a lot. Walnut oil, look at this. It's light, but it's rich and it's nutty, not basic. And you know what? It's so beautiful. In fact, the Renaissance painters even use this in their art. Blitz this baby up. Finishing touch. Not quite done. A little bit of baby time. A little something, something. Beautiful. Look at this, I'm so excited to eat this. I actually love taking this one for lunch, and if you're taking it to the office, just put the dressing in a separate container. The creamy tang of the goat cheese, the sweetness of the beet with the orange, and then the crunchy walnut, incredible.